Hey YouTube, this is Finn's Kid coming at you. Today I'm going to show you how to take some boring ass string cheese and turn it into the bomb snack. We're going to make string cheese crepes. Basically you start with a laminated pan and you just throw in your cheese. Boom, we're going to keep that on a real low. I've got it on medium now, kind of warming it up, but we're just going to slowly melt this down into a puddle and then fry it on each side. And woohoo! And that's how it starts. Basically, we're going to sizzle this down into a puddle, turn it nice and golden brown, wrap it around something like a sausage or some eggs, and damn, you're getting hooked up fat. Oh yeah, coming right along. Non-stick, you can see it. It's not sticking on us. And we're just going to let that go on about medium heat. You can see the edges starting to turn golden brown. I'm about ready to flip this puppy, but not quite. Just let it sit there and reduce down into nothing but premiumness. Yeah, I'm going to flip it right now. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah. That right there, brother, is a string cheese crepe. I don't know how you like your mozzarella, but I like my mozzarella kind of golden brownish. You know what I mean? And that right there is definitely golden brownish. Is that looking prime or what? We're just going to let that keep going. You know, like some of those cheese dishes where the cheese melts out and then onto the pan. You know, that golden, salty cheese flavor? Well, that's what we've got going here in full effect. We're going to check out the other side now. Let's peep it. Whoa. Let's see what we've got. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'd say that's coming right along. Oh yeah. That right there, brother, is the best piece of string cheese you're ever going to put in your mouth. After all the water's been cooked out and all the grease has been cooked out, all that's left is premium, prime time. Oh yeah, that's mozzarella, baby. If you haven't tried this, you have got to check it out. You're going to love it. Alright guys, and once that has cooled down, you're basically left with almost like a cracker. You know, it's kind of crunchy, kind of chewy. It's prime. It's crunchy, it's delicious. Fold it in half, wrap something up in that, and you're good to go. This is Finn's Kid coming at you, showing you how to rock out the string cheese. Laters.